Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to add an event ticket to Google Wallet on your phone. This way, your ticket is always accessible and easy to use at the event. Let's get started. First, open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. Next, tap the plus button, usually labeled Add to Wallet. From the options, select Event Ticket, or Add a Pass, depending on your app version. Then, locate the ticket file on your phone. This could be a PDF, PK Pass, or a file received via email or Google Drive. After selecting the ticket, follow the prompts to import it into Google Wallet. Make sure all essential details, like QR codes, barcodes, or event info, are visible. Once added, open your Google Wallet to confirm the ticket appears correctly and is ready for use at the event. That's it. Your event ticket is now securely stored in Google Wallet for quick and easy access whenever you need it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.